Product mix optimization is pivotal in maximizing profitability across diverse industries, whether you're manufacturing electronics, vehicles, or consumer goods. With Analytic Solver, you can make informed, data-driven decisions on the most profitable assortment of products to manufacture using shared components and resources effectively, all in a manner that's traceable, easy to learn, and designed for seamless collaboration. Let's explore two typical scenarios. Imagine a company that manufactures TVs, stereos, and speakers with a shared inventory of critical components such as LCD screens and power supplies. The challenge is to determine the optimal product mix that maximizes profit without exceeding the available inventory. Analytic Solver evaluates various production strategies, balancing component availability, production capacity, and market demand. It identifies the most profitable product combinations, ensuring that production aligns with both inventory constraints and profitability goals. Now, consider a company that manufactures pallets using a common parts inventory of glue, pine chips, and oak chips. Here, Analytic Solver helps determine the most profitable mix of pallets that maximizes use of limited resources like materials and pressing time. Shifts in market demand or supply chain disruptions can necessitate production adjustments. Analytic Solver helps assess these changes and recalibrate product strategies to reflect new realities. Its robust reporting tools, including the sensitivity report, detail how resource variations affect profitability. This aids in guiding optimal product decisions and understanding each constraint's implications on your manufacturing strategy, allowing for precise adjustments to enhance outcomes. Whether you're managing production lines, inventory, or overall manufacturing strategies, Analytic Solver provides the clarity, precision, and flexibility to confidently optimize your product mix. Take the next step. Explore Analytic Solver, join a webinar, or experience it firsthand to transform your product mix optimization strategy.